Are you struggling to migrate your emails from Thunderbird to Outlook? Whether it's for work, personal use, or an upgrade to your email system, this can be a tricky process. But don't worry, we've got the perfect solution for you. I'll guide you step by step on how to easily import Thunderbird to Outlook. Thunderbird and Outlook are both popular email clients, but they use different file formats to store your emails. Thunderbird uses the MBOX format, while Outlook uses PST. Unfortunately, these formats aren't directly compatible. But don't lose hope. There are solutions to this problem. Utilize a specialized tool like SoftTake Thunderbird to Outlook Converter. This software simplifies the process and makes the transition hassle-free. Here's how you can migrate your Thunderbird emails to Outlook in just a few simple steps. Download and install the tool. Click on the Add File option. Take Preview, choose PST format, choose desired location. Lastly, click on the Convert button. Why should you choose SoftTake user-friendly interface? Batch conversion, preserves data integrity, wide compatibility. Ready to the switch? Head over the official softtaken.com website and install the Thunderbird to Outlook Converter today. Thanks for watching, and simplify your email migration with SoftTake software.